Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of a public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather is threatened. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Huh?
This is NOAA Weather Radio, 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Signal was a test of the warning and alarm for the Florida listening area originating from western Florida. This is also a test of the system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. To the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from western Florida. This was also tested the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Oh, yeah.